Alright y'all, so we are continuing our 12 days of Christmas. And on the third day, we get a gingerbread cake. This is one of, if not my favorite cakes out there to do. I know the thumbnail and the title both say cast iron. Cast iron is not, you could do this in a regular cake pan as well. Okay? It's just how I prefer them. For this, we got sugar, flour, butter, ginger, cloves, egg, salt, cinnamon, baking soda, and some molasses. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. So we're going to start with half a cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour. We're going to take 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cloves, half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to go ahead and give this a mix together, just a quick whisk. We're going to take 1 egg, take a half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of hot water, go ahead and get this mixed in. Then we're going to take 1 cup of molasses. I'm going to go ahead and get this all well mixed together. Once we get that mixed together, we're going to sit to the side for a minute. Now, like I said, I am using a cast iron skillet. You don't have to do this. You can do a traditional cake pan. It'll be about the same cook. And I have lightly greased my cast iron skillet, or whatever you're going to be baking this cake in. Just go ahead and spread it out evenly. Now we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. It'll be in about that range no matter what you cook it in. Just want to keep an eye on it. Stick a toothpick in the middle. When it comes out clean, that means it is done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so mine cooked for about 30 minutes. I stuck a toothpick in, came out clean. Now what you do from here is completely up to you. You could decorate it if you like, put it on a serving platter and decorate it up. But for me, I'm simply just going to take some powdered sugar and give it a quick dusting. And there we have it, a gingerbread cake. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.